Welcome to the Master of Science in Management Engineering of the University of Palermo. In this short video, I will try to explain what are the main learning outcomes and the structure of our program, its specificities and what to expect after graduation. Let's start with a few important facts. We have more than 100 new students enrolled every year in our classes. The entire program is taught in English. 65% of our students spend at least one academic semester in a foreign university. Last but most important, we have an incredible placement rate. Almost 98% of our graduates find a job within 1 year after graduation. Interesting, no? How to explain such an incredible success of this professional figure in the job market? Before answering this question, let's try to understand who is the management engineer who graduates at the master level. First of all, he or she is an engineer with a solid scientific knowledge, great problem-solving skill, and a strong design science orientation. He or she will use the engineering mindset to face the classical and the contemporary challenges of the business. When an engineering background and a deep business knowledge meet together, then we have the perfect match. The result is the management engineer. How do we develop such a professional figure? Let's have a look at the educational framework of our program. Education and training of the management engineer translate into two learning outcomes. In fact, during the 2 years of the program, the students will develop two main types of skills. First, the so-called hard skill. He or she has to own deep and scientific knowledge related to business and management. Second, the soft skills. To become a manager, he or she should develop the capability for leadership, the inclination for team working, the aptitude for global and international vision, among others. Well, the entire master program and even every single course are designed to develop both of the skills in combination. There are some important requirements to get access to the program. First of all, the student should own a bachelor degree in engineering, no matter which specialization. As I said before, we need students with an engineering mindset. Furthermore, starting with the basic knowledge of statistics, business economics, technology, and operations is the key to successful attend the program. When it comes to the specific structure of the program, we have 3 sets of subjects and 1 learning approach. Let's start with the subjects. The first set includes the methodological subjects, knowing how to model and analyze a business process, how to manage a complex project, how to treat multi-criteria decision-making problems, and how to manage and analyze big data is what we call the management engineering toolbox. The second set includes the core management subjects. After these courses, the students will have a deep knowledge of every business function, such as corporate finance, marketing, supply chain management, and so forth. This constitutes the cultural backbone of the manager. The third set includes subjects related to some advanced and contemporary management topics, such as sustainability management or the smart factory. Concerning the learning approach, we strongly believe in active learning on one side and on design thinking on the other side. For example, teachers are encouraged to make use of case study and flipped classroom methods when they teach. Also, students are requested to do their thesis project with a strong empirical base. This means using real data or collaborating with a real company. We are proud of our format titled Meet the Manager, where on a regular basis practitioner meets the students to share with them their stories and career, but also some business problems they are facing. Finally, our learning environment is definitely international. Let's see what this means. In the last years, we invested a lot in making the course really international. Today we have Erasmus agreements and double degree agreements with about 20 universities in 9 different countries. Consider that about 65% of our master's students spend a semester in a foreign university. Besides the mobility opportunities, our students every day are diving in an international environment. The whole program is taught in English. We invite on a regular basis international speakers to share their research with our students, and 20% of our students come from out of Italy. Let me introduce one of these students, Beatriz.
Hello everyone, I'm Beatriz, I'm Portuguese, and I'm currently studying Management Engineering in Palermo. This master is a great opportunity for those who are willing to learn more and get a specialization in the industrial area. It is very challenging, but it was very easy to overcome the difficulties with the help of my professors and all my colleagues. Palermo is a beautiful city. It has an amazing history, a great culture, and very nice places to visit. And I'm sure that after this experience, I will be able to face all the challenges that the international job market has for me. Ciao!
I've already told you about the impressive numbers in terms of employment rate and time to employment. Let's now have a look on where our graduates will find a job. 40% in business consulting companies, 28% in manufacturing companies, and 32% in service companies. This is a wide spectrum of industries, isn't it? In which role does the management engineer usually work? Well, of course, this depends on manufacturers. When a manufacturing or service company hires a newly graduated management engineer, most likely he or she will start as a specialist, a supply chain specialist or a digital transformation specialist. But year after year, he or she will climb the stairs covering the role of assistant manager, manager, top manager, till a CEO. We observed similar career in business consulting companies. He or she starts as a business analyst and then become a consultant, a manager, a senior manager, till becoming a partner. You know, no matter how smart you are or where you graduated, to become a top manager, you need to accumulate first-time work experience. Anyway, job career are not the same for everyone. Some move up in a managerial position while remaining in the same company. Some change the company. Some others change even the industry sector. Every career is fascinating and can bring you to unexpected worlds. Let me introduce you Marita Sperandeo, one of our students whose career really impressed me.
Good morning everyone, my name is Marita Sperandeo, I come from Palermo and I graduated in Palermo in the University of Palermo in Ingegneria Gestionale or Management Engineering a few years ago. After my graduation I moved to Milan and I started a job in Nestlé in supply chain. I spent 2 years in Nestlé in between supply chain and trade marketing, and afterwards I moved to consulting in PricewaterhouseCoopers because I wanted to explore different industries and see different areas of these industries. So I had a job in PricewaterhouseCoopers where I was working on business process reengineering or customer relationship management. So I moved to London. I had a couple of opportunities in retail. I was really in the stores of Fendi and Louis Vuitton in London to do some retail experience. Then I joined Fendi, this beautiful Italian house in Rome, and I spent over 13 years in Fendi, managing different product divisions in leather goods, accessories, shoes, baby. And afterwards, we moved to Paris because I started a job at Christian Dior in the fashion division of Christian Dior, what we call Christian Dior Couture. I've been in Dior for 2.5 years, and I am the product and merchandising director. I'm the business unit director of leather goods for women, to define the product strategy, to define the collection assortment and planning, and to buy the collections for our boutiques all around the world.
Well, we are almost at the end of this presentation. Let me say one more thing. We strongly believe in what we do and in the value of our educational program. The number I show you together with our students' career are really clear. We are in the right direction. For any further information, please contact us by email or visit our website. I wish you the best.